Hello, everyone. Welcome to another review class. This time we focus on tongue diagnosis. Last week we discussed tongue coating and kidney insufficiency, and now we will continue with the discussion. No? Okay, let's start it with a case. So we have here a 53-year-old male whose symptoms include paranoia, panic attacks, inner restlessness, nervousness, night sweats, and no drive at all. Wow. Western diagnosis, manic depression or bipolar. No? Background to disease, unresolved emotional conflicts, caffeine and nicotine abuse. So lalo itong nagiging manic. Irregular eating habits, excessive consumption of chocolate and sweets. Um, yeah. Kaya, did you know that excessive consumption of chocolate and sweets would definitely bring you more dampness and the phlegm, no? Alam naman natin tablets can evolve into phlegm. So that is what is causing the depression, no? And the manic is the heat. Okay. So let's look at the tongue. It's pale, red, swollen, no? So sa itsura pa lang ng tongue, you could say that there is a lot of dampness. No? Why? Because of the coating. Did you see it? And yeah, the center is quite obvious to be very red, no? Saka nakikita nyo to, it's like it's about to become spherical. You notice the tongue? It's a bit oblong, no? This is what I notice about people with emotional issues, no? Uh,
Mm.
I have a friend na talagang phlegm na, ang laki-laki ng tongue niya, bilog na bilog. Okay. So, yeah, so yun.
Oh,
Yes. Yeah. Sige, that's another story. Okay, what do we see here? Old coating, very yellow. So, okay, and also I'd like to yeah, emphasize that this is the center of the tongue, so it's very stomach, no? And since the area is sweet,
yeah.
so there is heat or fire, stomach heat or stomach fire. And the presence of this one, basta may pagka-rough yung texture ng coating, so that's
Mm.
definitely phlegm. And the color
Yeah.
is yellow, phlegm fire, yeah. You can actually double check this by feeling the pulse. Okay.
Mm.
Um, so another is when you look at the the root, no? The root, the back part of the tongue, it's red. Nakita nyo to? It's really,
Field.
yeah,
Yeah.
peeled siya. Red. So, this is the kidney part or the posterior burner, the the
Posterior third.
yeah, posterior third. And so there is really kidney in deficiency with heat, no? Fire na nga sinasabi dito. Okay? So, which is a bit strange because una-una, it's, if you look at the tongue, no? Pale naman siya, but in the middle, including the root, red siya, no? Yeah, so, kaya nga bipolar. merong,
Mm-hmm.
merong phlegm, merong heat, no?
The tip is also red looking.
Oh yeah, and it's going down.
Okay.
Going down. When it's going,
Going
it's
down.
heart chi deficiency,
Mm.
no empty, na yeah, parang, yeah, yin deficiency with empty heat. So basically, 'di ba, pag ang kidney talaga involved, lahat talaga affected. Like, you notice, 'di ba, sinabi ko kanina, if
Mm.
kidney yin deficiency with fire or with heat, with empty heat, that stomach is involved, even the lung, even the heart is involved. No? So, do you notice that's the kasi hindi na siya nagko-communicate, 'di ba? Normally, the fire should be able to, no, the water should be able to quell the fire. No, that's what we call
Mm-hmm.
communicate. But this thing, it's good for you to, it's really good of you to notice, no? This is the posterior third, the kidney, the water, and then
Mm-hmm.
this is the upper warmer, upper burner, the fire. So pareho silang red. So, yan. Kaya if you review the symptoms niya, tingnan nyo, inner restlessness, nervousness. How can you be so
Panic.
yeah, paranoia, panic attacks. Like
Yes.
you people are talking about you and then you start to panic. And of course, the classic symptoms of night sweats. And ito yung no drive, parang wala ka nang ganang mabuhay. No? So you see tingnan nyo yung background ha. Unresolved emotional conflicts, caffeine and nicotine abuse, irregular eating habits. That's why pabilog siya. No? Do you notice? It's my first time to really
Mm-hmm.
like, no, not my first time. I've seen a lot of times.
Almost.
It's like pabilog siya, no? It looks like a fruit.
Yeah. Almost.
Yes,
Yeah.
Doc. Parang scallop.
Yes. Ay,
Uh-uh.
yung sa scallop, ang scallop parang ano, ito talaga, it's so makapal dito. So you wouldn't
Malaki.
the liver, yung liver talaga, like it's from the entire side, no? But this one is like nakaganon. Okay? Kaya, yun. I know somebody in Cebu. Hala, baka mag-ano na siya. Sabi niya, effective daw yung chocolate sa ano, bipolar. And she's also bipolar. Pero hanggang ngayon, bipolar pa rin siya. Siguro dahil.
Baka dapat kasi yung chocolate na yung cacao,
Zero
no
calorie.
sugar.
No, actually, cacao talaga yung kanya. Oh, yeah.
No, without the sweets.
That's why
With
she,
the
Nakakain.
kaya sabi niya effective. Pero dapat hindi siya
Yun
matamis.
ay napamingan.
Oo, dapat di siya matamis.
Okay.
Mag-active lalo yan, Doc. Yung kanyang ano.
Yeah. Okay. So, tingnan natin yung history niya, ha? Mahaba to. Case history. The patient's first acute paranoid psychotic episode occurred 7 years ago following his final exam as a concert pianist. Wow. Since then, 35-year-old patient spent 2 years in a hospital. Ilang taon na siya now? 53 na siya. Okay.
53.
So,
51.
sedation with strong drugs as well as 14 electric shock treatments. Oh my God. Alleviated the depressive and suicide mania states. Despite having the patient experienced panic attacks every morning and felt severe fright. Sino ba na? Diyos ko, electric shock. His sleep was very
Oo, 14 electric shock.
O, kita mo lang yung electric shock na mga electrodes, matatakot ka na. His sleep was very disturbed, great difficulty relaxing, and he complained of a lack of drive and energy. His appetite, however, was good, although he never cooked any food. Rather, he lived off, wow, yogurt and cakes. Took
Yeah.
about 2 liters of coffee. Wow, 2 liters? Ilan bang cups yung 2 liters? Okay.
Grabe to little.
125 lang yung cup, di ba? Or 250. Black tea daily and smoked about 4. Grabe naman. 2.
Probably 4 to 5 cups yan. 4 to 5.
Yeah, dapat 4 to 5. His stools were soft and occasionally sticky, so it's the red coatless root of the tongue was obvious. Okay. Tingnan talaga natin yung root ng tongue, no? Kung may coating pa, saka ano kulay. Yan ang titignan
Coatless.
ng mga tao. Balikan ko pala, tingnan ko pala yung friend ko na ano. His mouth was deep, slippery, so deep, very interior, slippery, very phlegm, very, yeah, slightly slow, slightly slow. Vigorous heart fire developed due to extreme emotional pressure while preparing for his examination. The patient was worried that he was not living up to his father's expectations. His father famous professor of music. His inability to deal with the situation, ay no, naku, yun na talaga. Okay. Which, which led to the heart fire, which seriously disturbed him. Okay. Kaya pag hindi ka talaga makakope with stress, magkakaroon ka ng heart fire. Ah, yeah, which was good. You notice that, no? Tikinan mo yung
Mm.
ng dila niya, yung tip. To this day, the patient feels a lot of anger toward his father, who never showed him the respect he felt he deserved. This led to constrained liver chi, and
Mm.
because of the intensity of his unresolved emotions, nag-evolve yung liver chi, constrained liver chi into liver fire. Unresolved. Kaya dapat yung emotion nilalabas talaga, di ba, Sir M?
Yes.
Apo.
Oo, parang ang tagal mo
Wala
sumagot.
mo na kain.
Okay. When, when
Kain
liver
na
chi
ka.
becomes constrained,
Kaya kanin.
Maingay.
Diyan na lang bilis sa may
okay, when the liver chi becomes constrained, its control over the spleen becomes excessive. So, manghihina ang spleen. So, this is how it happened.
That's why it's swollen.
Mm-mm. Yeah, which reminds me, I have a friend that the same situation. Um,
Mm.
nagalit siya kasi yung brother pala niya, sinangla yung bahay nila. Nung,
Mm.
and then now he found out na
Oh no.
okay, kaya pala, okay. No, karots talaga.
Okay.
This deficiency will impair the TNT of fluids, which in turn accumulate and transform into dampness. No?
Mm-mm.
The accumulation of dampness, okay. Kaya slightly swollen tongue body. Of course, may scalloping din yan, no? That's a given. Due to the consumption of phlegm and heat producing, okay. O, tinan mo, na tayo mag-yogurt. Yung yogurt na masarap. Ang daming yogurt na parang hindi siya yogurt. Okay.
No, kasi pag with added sugars, dun na siya hindi healthy eh.
Oo, hindi na rin siya.
Yogurt is supposed to
Maasim
be
siya.
maasim lang. Yeah. Pag may sugar na, dun na nagkakaroon ng problem.
Tama eh. Mm. Cake, coffee. Accumulation of dampness and existing fire generated by. Okay, this is how it happened. Okay. Liver chi constraint leading to phlegm heat. And the phlegm heat agitated the heart. When phlegm heat collects and also subjected to emotional tension, it explodes into phlegm fire. Okay. Hintayin mo muna magka-phlegm fire, leading to emotional instability and panic
And
behavior.
manic behavior.
Now, this is the first time I really got to understand bipolar. So maganda talaga may mga cases, no? There is
Mm-mm.
alternative explanation though for the development of his illness. When liver chi is constrained and fluids are not distributed over time, it will lead to phlegm. Long-standing liver chi constraint can develop into phlegm fire.
Mm.
Siyempre phlegm muna, tapos phlegm fire. Especially
Fire.
if it exists alongside emotional tension and the intake of, yeah. Usually these people, hindi lang coffee, di ba? They would drink alcohol pa. O, di ba?
Mm.
Lalong lalala. I know this one. Okay, my friend pala, he's so fond of yung sili. Oo. Yung sili talaga.
Mm.
Oh. So, kaya lalong, ay nako, ewan ko. Okay. So, yun. Phlegm fire is visible here in dark yellow, old greasy tongue coating. When the fire is very intense, the patient will glide into manic phase. When the phlegm is more dominant, the patient will feel more depressed. Okay. Remember that phlegm fire.
Vampire.
Besides neuroleptic medication, the patient is also being treated with powerful antidepressive drugs, and these are responsible for the slow, deep pulse. No? Slippery aspect of pulse denotes the presence of phlegm. Both severe
Mm.
attacks of fear and fright, as well as the medication, have contributed over the years to a kidney yin deficiency, reflected in the tongue coating without root. Okay. When the patient reported that the fears and inner restlessness had again become stronger, the root of the tongue developed an intensely red discoloration. At this point, the kidney insufficiency allowed kidney fire to arise, which contributed to agitation. Tongue shape as well as the coating will reflect the kidney yin deficiency. If the coating is peeled and looks old, so that's kidney yin deficiency, lack of fluids. In this case, a new coating was not produced. How can you produce the coating, a new coating na kulang na nga ng fluids, no?
Mm.
Not because of stomach deficiency. Okay. Yeah. Not because of the stomach acidity. When a peeled, old-looking coating appears in combination with an intensely red tongue body, the kidney yin deficiency is very severe. Okay.
Good.
Wow, that was good. Nakakaano lang. Parang, hindi naman nakaka-relate, pero at least now we would know how to
Oo.
patients with mental issues.
Bipolar.
Uy, madaming ganyan ha. Tinangka agad yung tao,
Oo.
agad yung ano.
Madami undiagnosed eh.
Ang ano kaya ni ano? Joke lang ha. Oy, Sir Mark, wag ka magalit ha. Tingnan, ganyan ba
Hindi,
yung...
okay lang.
Ay, okay.
Meron ako pasyente sa Doc, sa Puerto Galera. Nakita ko yung dila niya. Talagang, parang patch-patch na kulay violet siya.
Oh my
Halos
God.
lahat, halos lahat ng constitutions ng kanyang dila, that ng violet.
So parang map na yung tongue niya.
Oo, tapos sabi ko, hinala namin ni Nika namin sakit yan sa dugo. Kasi that talaga siya. Ayaw umamin, babaero pa.
Wow.
Naubos yung kidney essence.
Oo. Oo, Doc. sabi ko kay Nika, susuka muna. Ayaw dito suka. Hindi namin treatment. Natakot kami sa dila eh.
So deserve.
Oo.
Takot kami sa dila.
Balik naman.
Takot kami, syempre. Ingat.
Okay, continue na tayo. Maaga pa pala. Okay.
Sige po.
Okay, another case. Ay, oh, look at the dila, oh. This is like, I'm sure nakakita na kayo ng ganyang dila. Dito lang sa isang side ang may coating.
Lang side. Yeah.
Yellow pa. That's very gallbladder, no? Very heat. Coating, huh? Okay, 44-year-old male. Symptom,
Tough question. Pagka may gallstones, lumalabas ba yun sa tongue?
gallstones
Coating.
is damp heat. Lalabas ni...
So,
well, hindi mo naman pwedeng malaman na gallstone talaga yun, no?
yeah,
So,
but like,
sa tongue, kasi when you say gall,
aside from
actually,
abdominal pain.
the mere fact na nag-form siya ng stone, that's phlegm. Okay, 44-year-old male, extreme physical weakness, night sweats, chronic low-grade fever, dry cough, mouth ulcers, stomach pain. Western diagnosis, may AIDS siya. Anemia, okay. Kaposis sarcoma. Kaposis, ito yung nakikita mo sa skin pag may AIDS ang tao, full-blown AIDS. Okay, background to disease, viral activity, toxic heat. So, ibig sabihin, may nangyayari sa loob, no? So, the tongue is really red and contracted. So, when this is the case, meron ka ng kidney yin deficiency, kidney yin and essence deficiency. Red na yung tongue, ha? Severe exhaustion, sinasabi dito. Severe exhaustion of kidney yin and essence, heat in the blood level. The tongue is dry, so that means the patient is dehydrated, lack of fluids. And then yellow, old, one-sided coating. Okay, damp heat yan. Okay. So if you look at the center, walang coating, so you will have stomach yin deficiency. Yes? And obviously,
May metal cracks. May cracks. Slight.
And usually, napansin ko talaga, pag meron ka ng kidney deficiency or red na yung tongue mo, affected talaga si stomach, no? Stomach yun. And also, yeah, the crack. Gustong-gusto mo talaga yung tip.
Hindi na nakakaano siya.
Yeah. So, nakikita nyo, wala ring coating in yung tip. At saka meron siyang parang ano, para siyang nakahati.
Mm. Pero parang may problem din siya sa liver.
Yeah, obviously, ito. Actually, sa sobrang heat, gallbladder na siya talaga. No, di ba usually pag liver and gallbladder?
Liver gallbladder.
Okay. Malaman mo naman may AIDS ka.
Mm-mm.
You have 65-year-old, okay. Okay, 65-year-old
Oo.
symptoms. Ay, loss of memory. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Severe headache, fever, occasional
Ay.
night sweats, constipation, vertigo. Itong vertigo, I'm sure this is caused by this one, the phlegm, no? The old coat, the dump. Okay, Western diagnosis, suffered stroke 3 days before. Smoking cigarettes for 30 years. Okay. And alcohol abuse. Okay, smoking na alcohol pa. Okay. Um, I think we need to emphasize na kailangan kasi yung tongue natin freely movable, no? In this case,
Mm-mm.
it looks so firm, so matigas. So, tingnan ang mga dila ng mga
Mm-mm.
okay. Or, pag naka-deviate yan,
Stroke.
hindi pa na-stroke, baka parating na din yung stroke. Kaya dapat maagapan mo na yun, no? So here you could see, pag red yung tongue, kidney deficiency na may internal heat, obviously.
Mm-mm.
And then dry, lack of fluids. And then yellow or tofu-like coating. So sabay talaga, no? Stomach and kidney
Mm-mm.
deficiency with heat accumulation in the young brightness, the Yang-Ming stage, organ stage na to. No? Organ, hindi lang channel. Yang-Ming
Mm-mm.
organ. Okay. Okay, that was stressful. Anyway, continue looking at the tongues of people for us to learn. Okay, let's continue. Let's end the session with an assessment. Since busy si Sir Mark, kayo na lang ulit, Ma'am Trix, no?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Your patient has a thin coating. Can you tell us more about it?
Uh, if my patient has a thin coating, they probably have a disease that is superficial or weak.
Yeah.
There's weak pathogen.
Yeah. Kasi pero pag thin and white siya, it is normal. Pero remember, sinabi
Normal.
lang yung coat niya.
Coating lang, yeah.
So ibig sabihin, parang superficial yung problem niya, no? Or,
Mm-mm.
um, or mahina,
Exterior.
like, nag-uumpisa na. So parang, I think, wini-welcome niya ngayon yung pathogenic factor. Kasi nga mahina siya. Okay? Number 2. What about thick coating?
Thick coating, the disease might be deep or a strong pathogen.
So usually what comes,
Interior cold.
yeah, pag nakita mo thick ang coating, kanina thin yung coating, and you said na there must be a superficial issue of the body, and also a very weak anti-pathogenic factor. Ibig sabihin yung immune system mahina, no? But this time it's thick coating. So this tells us there is something going on, something excess, no? Hmm. So it says here, think of damp, phlegm,
Here,
bothering food retention. Sabi mo nga kanina, cold, or
cold.
heat, or fire even. And inward transmission of disease. So ibig sabihin, if you're treating a patient, kung initially hindi naman ganun ka-thick yung coating, na biglang kumapal yung coating, nag-internalize na po yung disease niya, no? So, as much as possible, you need to be able to get rid of the pathogen, no? So, let it stay out of the body, exterior na. Pero pag kumapal yung coating, and then you've been seeing the patient for quite some time, then that's a red flag, no? That means pumapasok na yung disease.
Mm-mm.
Next, gray coating, gray, whitish, and moist.
Might be retention of cold, damp, and fluid, or cold syndrome.
Yeah, because of the white. Gray
White.
is not black, no? So, cold, damp, and fluids.
Gray.
Di naman siya red. Yellow pala. Yellow, sorry. Yellow, okay. Yung white can become gray. Diba? Minsan cold na cold yan pag gray. Oo. Kasi you might,
Pero, pag gray, di ba, Doc? Usually, may problem sa kidney.
yeah, kasi the kidney is also very sensitive to cold. Diba? So, kaya, yun. Okay, number 4. Gray coating pa rin, but gray yellowish and dry. Okay.
Consumption of body fluid due to excessive heat.
Okay, very good. So kanina, more on cold, damp cold, retention of damp cold. Ito naman, okay. Kasi the cold can become heat, right? So, kanina, kung tumagal ng tumagal yung cold mo, the gray coating can turn into yellow. Gray, yellowish, and dry. Kaya, di ba, nag-evolve yung, yung matagal, nagta-transform. What about if you see a tongue that has a black coating?
Interior syndromes with extreme heat or excessive cold, or severe stage of illness.
So it's actually severe na rin. So pwede siyang, okay, how would you, yeah, very interior, no? Kasi umitim na talaga siya. And we all know that black could be the color,
Yes.
diba? There.
Yes.
So siguro, pag black siya and then a little moist, that's due to cold, excessive cold. Pero pag black siya, tapos super dry, extreme heat, no? Okay. So, you notice our topic today is more on the coating, no? Number 6. We go now to black coating, yellowish, dry, with thorns.
Thorns. Consumption of body fluids due to extreme heat.
So, usually, pag napansin mo, pag yellowish yung coating, meron kang makikitang mga dots, mga, parang, yeah, thorns. No?
Parang thorny siya.
Yeah, thorny. Parang parang strawberry.
Yeah, parang strawberry.
So that's heat pala. That's heat. So the extreme heat is consuming the body fluids. Okay? Black coating, pale. Black, slippery.
Very, extreme cold or excessive cold due to kidney yang deficiency.
Very good. Yeah, kasi pale na pale. Yeah, slippery. Okay. Number 8, yellow coating, burnt yellow.
Heat accumulation.
Very good. Number 9, yellow coating, hindi siya burnt pero deep yellow.
Severe heat.
Yeah, more severe heat. And number 10, yellow okay. So nakita mo yung gradation. Light pa lang. Tapos naging deep yellow. Tapos naging
Like burnt.
burnt. Yeah, whatever. So this one is,
Mild heat.
yeah. Wow, thank you so much, Ma'am
Thank
Trick.
you, Doc.
Ang galing-galing mo talaga tumingin sa dila. Sana all.
Hindi. Hindi. I still have much to learn.
Yeah, so I will continue this as long as, even if the rains come and I need to
Mm.
apologize minsan, busy tayo. Sige, tuloy-tuloy lang, no? So tomorrow I'll see you again. Thank you everyone for joining. Bye.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you, Ma'am Trix. Enjoy.
Thank you, Doc.
Take care kayong lahat dyan. Wala bang baha dyan, Sir Mark?
Oo nga, Sir Mark.
Sa Maria.
Sa ibang lugar po meron po.
Okay, buti naman.
Sa ibang lugar po meron po, Doc.
Oo, sa Marilao, di ba? Grabe yung baha. Dati naman.
Opo.
Okay, thank you so much. Stay safe,
Thank
everybody.
you,
Thank
Doc.
you.
Bye po.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye
Bye.
po.
Bye-bye.